Whether you are a small business owner, contractor, distributor, or self-employed, do not waste your hours in invoicing. Never feel extra headaches in preparing the tax report. Or do not get tired of complicated invoicing software. Try the Atom Invoice today. It is professional, reliable, and easy to use invoice and estimate maker software. It will save you tons of time and make your life easy. It works fast. You can create and send an invoice or estimate in less than a minute. Let me prove it. Tap on the plus button. Add your business info, logo, client, invoice info, line items, discount, tax, other charges, like markup, shipping, paid amount. All calculations are automated. Optionally, you can add signatures. Payment options. Customer note. Terms. Attachments. Automated payment reminders. Click the next to preview, and your professional invoice is ready to send. OK, once more to represent your consistent brand and unique entity. Customize it. The template. Table. Color. Banner. And watermark. Offer your customer multiple payment options like PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and others. Localize it in the language you want, like German, French, Spanish, and others. And finally, send the invoice to your customers by email, SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, and others. You can print it, download it, or do the in-app mailing. Track the invoice status and get lifetime notifications. On sent, opened, signed, it sends automated payment reminders too. Once you get the money, mark it as paid. Similarly, create an estimate to win a project. Once it gets approved, one click to create an invoice. Observe your business growth. Manage reusable line items. Clients. And your sales and tax reports are ready on the go. That is the Atom Invoice. It is professional, simple, and organized. It works offline and online. Auto backups your data in the secured cloud and syncs across multiple devices. Give a trial today. No credit card is required. Please do not forget to inspire my team with your likes, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.